very good. There have no absent for today. And now, let me remind you our classroom rules. First, be kind. Second, listen carefully. Third, be clean and tidy. And last, raise your hand if you want to answer or have a concern. Did you understand, class? Oh! Okay, very good. And now, did you have assignment yesterday? Oh! Can you please pass it forward? Okay, thank you. I will check it later. And now, who can recall our topic yesterday? Yes, OG, can you please stand up? Okay, very good. It's all about place value. And now, we are having our first activity for today. This activity is called a place value chart. So, can you please read our direction? Write the correct answer on the place value. Okay, very good. So, who can answer number one? Okay, OG, can you please stand and write the answer on the blackboard? So, the number one is... Okay. Next. Okay, Princess, can you please stand? Okay, Jerlyn, can you please stand? So, the last, Jen, can you please stand up? Yes, can you please stand up? Another two, can answer. Yes, can you please stand up? And the last is who can answer. Yes, Princess. Okay, very good. Now, we will check in our first activity. So, the first is really the number one answer. Yes. Are you sure? Okay, very good. It's number one. So, the number two. Okay, very good. Number three. The number four. Okay, very good. And the number five. The tens. Very good. The eight. The ones. You are all correct. And now, before we discuss our discussion, can you please read our objective for today? Basta? Pwede niyo bang basahin ang ating objective for today? Identify and explain the place value of each digit. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Understand the value of a digit is determined by its position in a number, which its position represents in the different place value. The last, apply their understanding of place value to solve mathematical problems and real-world scenarios involving numbers up to 100,000. Okay, very good. Thank you. And now we have our another activity for today. This activity is called number tag game. I will distribute you these numbers and group you into So, the group will be the first, or ang grupo unang makakabuo ng number na ito ay siya ang bibigyan ko ng points. Do you understand, guys? So, can you please paste it on the blackboard now? Okay, who's the group? The first one to paste it. Okay, group 2. Can you paste it on the blackboard? Sige, the group 1 will be the first.
Anak dito. Kasi kahit lahat bang dili pa ang karang na ipapil ipaanak dire. Dili ipaanak ay atras dito. Ang katugod.
Okay, very good. So the group 1 will be having a 10 points. Clap your hands. Now, we were having our next activity. This activity is called place value chart. So, write it on your 1/4 sheet of paper and I will give you 5 minutes to answer it. So, this is our question. Okay, very good. Minutes. Okay, time's up. Now, can you please pass it on forward? And we will check it later. Okay. Now, before we discuss our discussion for today, who can identify what is a place value chart? Or what is a place value means? Yes, Princess, do you want to answer what is a place value? Okay, do you have not wala kayong maalala? Or wala kayong idea sa place value? Okay. Now, I will discuss the place value. So, the place value is a position of a digit within a numbers and its corresponding numerical value. In a multi-digit number, each digit represents a different place value depending on position. So, place value example is called ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. And these numbers will be presenting a 50,000. So, the ones of this number is the last number. And the tens of this number is the 92nd number. And the hundreds of this number is the third number. So, and this number is called a 1,000 numbers. And the last is the and other example of these numbers is called 60,000, 100,000, 300,000. If the numbers is also a 10,000. 10,000. Very good. Now, I have a question, class. You think what is the place value position of a digit? Who can answer? What is the place value? Yes, Oji, can you please stand up? What is the place value? Can you please stand up? One, okay, very good. It is a. Can you please read it, class? 10,000. Very good. And now, because we are done to our discussion. And now, class, I have a question to you. How did you understand the place value digit first? You can answer. Yes, Princess, can you please stand up? Paano mo ma-explain ang place value? You have no idea about place value digit numbers? I discussed it kanina. What is the place value digit, do you think? Yes, can you please stand up? What other example of place digit numbers? Another hand? One. Yes. 10,000. Okay, very good. Now we're having our next activity of the day. So, can you please read the direction of our activity? Identify the value of the underlined digit and write ones, 100,000 and 10,000 of the given number. Okay, who can answer number 1? Yes, Princess, can you please stand up? Come here. Write the answer on the blackboard. Can answer number 2. Yes, Audrey, can you please stand up? And number 3, who can answer? Yes, Jerry, can you please stand up? Number 4, who can answer? Yes, can you please stand up? It's the answer number 4. Very good. And the last, yes, Eugene, can you please stand up? Okay, very good. Now we will checking your answer for the day. Okay, the number 1. What is the answer number 1? 1,000. Okay, very good. Number 2? 10. Okay, very good. Number 3? 1,000. Very good. The number 4? Ones. The number 5? Tens. Okay, so give it to your assignment notebook, write an answer, copy and answer. Can you please read our assignment for today? Okay, very good. So, can you please stand up? Who can understand our lesson for today? Did you understand our lesson for today? What is all about our lesson for today? Can you please? Very good. So, this lesson will be end now. So, goodbye, class.